Hello guys, once again you are welcome to Communal Priority channel, our best channel for different opinion. Today's video is on differentiation and some of the important examples in differentiation. First of all, solution. So number one, say differentiate the value of 5x cubed plus 3x squared minus 3x. In differentiation, you will going to multiply the coefficient with the power and subtract 1 from the coefficient. For example, we said we have 5x cubed plus 3x squared minus 3x. First of all, we're going to multiply this 3 with this 5, which is the 5 is the coefficient and this 3 is the power. Now, 5 times 3 is equal to 15x to the power of 3 minus 1. We are going to subtract 1 from the power. Then plus 2 times 3 is what? 2 times 3 is 6. X to the power of 2 minus 1. Also, here is the same thing as 1. Therefore, it's 1 times 3, which is minus 3x to the power of what? 1 minus 1. Because this one is the same as the power of 1. So, this will be 15x to the power of 3 times 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 6x to the power of 2 minus 1 is what? 2 minus 1 is 1, which is empty, we will not put it. Then minus 3x to the power of 1 minus 1 is 0, and anything to the power of 0 according to the laws of indices is equal to 1. Then therefore this will be 15x squared plus 6x minus 3. Since we say our x to the power of 0 is 1, this will be 3 multiplied by 1, which will be 15x squared plus 6x minus 3 as our final answer. So now we are moving to question number 1, which is what? We said 4x cubed plus 3x plus 5. Question number 2, we say find the differentiation of 4x cubed plus 3x plus 5. This is very simple. As we said, we are going to multiply the coefficient with the power, which is 4 times 3, which is equal to 12x to the power of this 3, then minus 1 from the power, plus, again, we are going to multiply this coefficient with what? With 3. Therefore, the coefficient of this x is what? 3 to the power of what? To the power of 1. Therefore, this will be 1 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 3, x to the power of this 1 minus 1. Then the next is 5. And we say differentiation of constant value is always 0. We are differentiating in respect to x. Therefore, this is equal to what? This is equal to 0. Then plus 0. Our 5 has no any x attached to it. Therefore, we're going to be 0. So, now our 12x to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 3x to the power of 1 minus 1 is 0. As we said here, x to the power of 0 is always 1. Therefore, this will be 12x squared plus 3 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 12x squared plus 3 as our final answer. So now we are moving to question number 3, which says find the limit of 5, 1 all over x squared plus x to the power of 1 all over 2 plus x. So we should pay attention here because it's a little bit different from the other one that we saw before. First of all, remember, whenever you have x to the power of minus 1, it is tempting to say 1 all over x, right? So therefore, this can be rewrite as what? As 5x to the power of minus 2, because this 1 over is something as this minus, plus x to the power of 1 all over 2 plus x. So now we are going to multiply the power with the coefficient. This will be 5 multiplied by minus 2 will be minus 10 to the power of x minus 2 minus 1. Then plus 1 over 2 multiplied by 1. This coefficient is the same thing as 1. Therefore, this will be 1 all over 2 x to the power of 1 all over 2 minus 1 plus x to the power of 1 minus 1. Because there's nothing here, it's the same as 1 times 1, which is equal to 1, then 1 minus 1 as we have in the power here. Then this will be minus 10 x to the power of minus 2 minus 1 will going to be minus 3, right? Plus 1 all over 2 x to the power of, we said x to the power of 1 all over 2 minus 1. The first thing you will do here is what? You will take the LCM of the two. We knew that our 1 over 1 is equal to 1. 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. So therefore, we can simply add 1 here, since even if we add 1, it is the same thing as the 1 as we have. Then you will take the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 1 is what? Is 2. Then how many times can this 2 go into this 2? Is 1 time. 1 multiplied by this one, we have our 1. Then what is between them is minus, then put your minus between them. How many times can this 1 go into this 2? Is 2 times. This 2 multiplied by the 1 at the top is going to give you what? 2. Therefore, this will be 1 minus 2 is what? Is minus 1 all over 2. So therefore, this is going to be minus 1 all over 2 plus. This is what? X to the power of 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And we say anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, this will be 1. Right? So our final answer will be minus x to the power of minus 3 plus 1 over 2x to the power of minus 2 plus 1. That's our final answer. So now we're moving to the question number 4, which is second to the last question, which says find the differentiation of 3x minus 3, then plus 2x minus 2 plus x to the power of minus 2. Now, the first thing we'll do here is we're going to multiply the coefficient with the power. 3 times 3 is 9, but the power is what? Minus 3. This will be what? Minus 9x to the power of minus 3 minus 1 plus minus 2 times 2 will give you minus 4 x to the power of what? Minus 2 minus 1. Then we say plus x to the power of minus 2. We know we already have 1 here. Therefore, this will be 1 multiplied by minus 2, which will be what? Also minus 2 x to the power of minus 2 minus 1. Close bracket. Minus times minus will give you what? Will give you plus. Therefore, this will be minus x to the power of minus 3 minus 1 is what? Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus times plus. Plus times minus, will give you minus. Then 4x to the power of minus 2 minus 1 is equals to minus 3. Right? Then again we have plus here and we have minus inside this bracket. This will be plus times minus, which is also what? Minus 2x to the power of minus 2 minus 1 is equals to minus 3. That's our final answer. So you see we have minus 9x to the power of minus 4 minus 4x to the power of minus 3 minus 2x to the power of minus 3 as our final answer. So now we are moving to the next question, which is the last question, which is question number 5. Question number 5 said find the limit of 4 all over x. So question number 5 says find the differentiation of 4 of 1 all over x square plus 2 1 all over x plus 8. So now, first of all, as we did for the first one, we are going to change this fraction to what? To negative power. As we said, if you have 1 all over x, it's the same thing to say x to the power of minus 1. So therefore, this is the same thing to say 4x to the power of minus 2 plus 2x to the power of minus 1 plus 8. Because this division, this fraction will change it to what? Negative power. As we said, if you have 1 all over x, it's the same thing to say x to the power of minus 1. So the same thing we have here, 1 all over x square is the same to say 4x to the power of minus 2 plus 2x to the power of minus 1 plus 8. So this will be minus 2 times 4 will give you minus 8x to the power of minus 2 minus 1. As we said in differentiation, always we are subtracting 1 from the power. After multiplying the power with the coefficient, then we're going to subtract 1 from the power. Then plus, we say what do we have as our power here is minus 1. Then minus 1 multiplied by 2 will give you minus 2x to the power of minus 1 minus 1. Close bracket. Then plus, we say always differentiation of a constant value is what? Is 0. So now, this will be minus 8x to the power of minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Then this is plus and we have minus 8. Then plus times minus what is minus? We have our 2x to the power of minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. We will say plus 0. We are not going to put it. So this is the final answer of our last question, which is question number 5. So guys, we are stopping here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.